Ciao ragazzi, sono Marina, un'anima italiana che ama la pasta. Oggi prepariamo la pasta alla carbonara, mamma mia! Questi sono gli ingredienti che usiamo per questo ricetto.
Spaghettoni, guanciale, pecorino, uova, pepe grani. The list of all the ingredients that I'm actually using in this recipe is on my website. The link is in the description of this video.
And I even wrote a song so that you could easily memorize these 5 simple ingredients. Spaghettoni, guanciale, pecorino, 2 uova, pepe grani. All sing with me! Spaghettoni, guanciale, pecorino, 2 uova, pepe grani. La pasta alla carbonara.
Preparation. Preparing guanciale. About 8 hours before making the pasta, start making guanciale. Cut the avocado into 2 halves. Guanciale is a fatty ingredient made from pig cheeks. In English, the side of a fruit is called cheek. So we are using avocado cheeks. And as avocado is a fatty fruit, this means that we are not changing the original recipe at all. Remove the avocado pit, scoop out the flesh from each avocado half, chop the bell pepper, removing the stem and all the seeds. Chop the celery stalk. Now we are about to use an extremely loud kitchen appliance. So first, we are protecting our ears. You can order these ear protectors through the link below this video. Place the avocado flesh, chopped bell pepper, and chopped celery in the jug of the blender. And blend these 3 ingredients together. Add the dried tomatoes to the blender jug. By the way, I dry my own tomatoes in my trusty dehydrator, and so can you. Then add spices into the blender jug. Dried garlic, rosemary, and sage. Briefly blend all these ingredients in the blender. You can order a blender through the link in the description of this video. Just look at the creamy content we got! Fill a silicone mold shaped like chopped guanciale with this creaminess. Clean the edges of the mold with a paper towel. Add 1 clove of garlic on top of the mold. This garlic clove will transfer its aroma to the guanciale during dehydration time. Place the filled silicone mold in the dehydrator and dehydrate your guanciale for about 7 hours at 115 Fahrenheit degrees, which is 46 Celsius degrees. You can order the dehydrator through the link in the description of this video. Preparing pasta. Cut off the zucchini ends. Peel the zucchinis. Use the spiralizer to make spaghettoni, that is thick spaghetti. You can order the spiralizer through the link in the description of this video. Transfer the spaghettoni into a bowl. Add dried celery to the spaghettoni and massage it well into the spaghettoni. Just look at how much we have reduced the volume of this pasta by simply massaging it. If desired, you can also marinate this pasta in sage and rosemary tea. Transfer the pasta into a glass bowl. Take 1 cup of purified water. Water quality is of crucial importance for health. I use a reverse osmosis filter, which I highly recommend. You can order this filter through the link in the description of this video. Make a strong sage and rosemary tea. You can order a kettle through the link in the description of this video. Pour the warm tea over the pasta. Warm up the pasta by leaving it in the dehydrator for about 15 to 30 minutes at 115 Fahrenheit degrees, which is 46 Celsius degrees. Preparing pecorino. Place the sesame seeds in a nut milk bag. You can order this nut milk bag through the link in the description of this video. And now you simply roll out the sesame seeds with a rolling pin. Lo and behold, we got pecorino. Preparing the sauce.
The main discussion in Rome is whether to use just the yolk or the whole egg. And I say, who cares about eggs when we have persimmons?
This is what my fruit dedicated shelf looks like every year during the persimmon season. Please let me know in the comments below this video. Is this the same situation in your kitchen? I hope it is. It is extremely important that the persimmons have not been frozen, either outside in the cold weather or in the freezer, and that they are just nicely soft, not hard and not too soft. Cut the persimmons in half. Remove the stalks, leaves, and any potential seeds. It is very important to remove all the seeds from the persimmons. Peel the persimmons and then chop them. Put the peeled and chopped persimmons into the blender jug. Blend the persimmons in the blender to get a thick orange sauce. Just look at how thick this sauce is. It can't even slide down the blender jug. Transfer this sauce into a bowl. Add pecorino to this orange sauce. Mix well these two ingredients together. Take out the pasta from the dehydrator, but save the tea in which it was marinated. Add 1 spoonful of this tea to the sauce. Then mix the sauce well. Finalizing the pasta. Add the sauce to the pasta. Mix well the pasta and sauce together. Take out the guanciale from the dehydrator. Remove the garlic clove. Chop a few slices of guanciale and add them to the pasta. Mix well everything together. Using a mortar and pestle, crush the peppercorns. Transfer the crushed peppercorns to a fine sieve to separate only the pepper powder. Add the fine pepper powder into the pasta. Transfer the pasta to a plate. Add a couple of more slices of guanciale on top of the pasta. Add more pepper powder as a finishing touch. And our la pasta alla carbonara is finita.
And I know that the whole Italy is about to sue me because of this video. But that fire in me to make this pasta was stronger than me, so I had to make this video.
And this is the moment of truth. Mamma mia!
By the way, they say that there are 5 love languages, but I claim that there is the 6th love language, and that is the love of pasta. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video and that you love this la pasta alla carbonara cruda. Mwah! Mamma mia! And just because you stayed until the very end of this video, I want you to get a gift, a discount for the whole Raw Vegan Culinary Set.
In the Raw Vegan Culinary Set, you get a total of 157 delicious and healthy, low-fat raw vegan recipes. Soups, dressings, sauces, dips, pasta, cookies, cakes, drinks, spices. Out of that, 40 raw yet warm recipes warmed in the dehydrator, as well as 2 pre-recorded online culinary classes that you just need to follow step by step. For the whole set, you get a discount by using the coupon code TASTY and HEALTHY. Click the link below this video, take advantage of this discount, and make the transition to a diet of delicious and fresh plant-based foods that contribute to your health and vitality.
And now, for the very end of this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, would you like to have this plate of pasta in front of you right now? Let me know in the comments. If you appreciate this video, please show me that by giving this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button, because I am making so much more delicious and useful content for you. And I would like you to enjoy that content. And until the next time, keep going, my friends. Arrivederci, ragazzi!